Hey guys, it's Miss Menchie and welcome back to my channel. For today, we're gonna do an unboxing video. If you are interested what's inside this Young Living boxes, then just keep on watching. Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking face ngayon kasi nagbabalat siya. Gumamit kasi ako ulit nung rejuvenating set ng Brilliant Skin. That's why ganyan yung itsura ng aking muka. If you guys haven't watched my skincare video, ilalagay ko siya sa taas, yung link, or sa description box below. You can check that out after this video. Ito muna, matagal ko na talagang binalak na mag-film ng unboxing videos ng mga monthly orders ko sa Young Living. Pero hindi ko siya nagagawa. Every time tumarating yung box dito, na-excite ako. Pagdating niya or kinabukasan or after few days na makita ko yung box, as in nabubuksan ko siya agad. So hindi ko na siya na-fill. But for this month, medyo napigilan ko yung sarili ko. Hindi ko siya nabubuksan and I'm really excited. I have here 2 boxes. So, ito yung aking November order. And this one naman is my December order. Ayan. Palaki siya ng palaki. So, I'm really excited na buksan to in front of you. But before natin siya gawin, I would just like to quickly explain to you yung essential rewards ni Young Living, or what we call it ER in short. So, website ni Young Living, you have 2 ways to order. Number 1 is yung quick order, which is yung normal na ginagawa natin sa website na nag-a-add to cart tayo, nilalagay natin yung payment method, and then check out, and then yun. Essential rewards, or ER, it's a monthly subscription ni Young Living wherein on a monthly basis, it's customizable, so you can choose what Young Living products to include in your boxes. Meron kang specific date na ilalagay kung kailan ipaprocess yung orders mo. And I think it's not new, no? Kasi some of the companies also are offering this kind of subscription boxes. Ang maganda dito, guys, if you are a member of Young Living, this is not mandatory. It's really up to you to enroll in this kind of subscription. Sa mga tao dyan na like me, no, na exploring the oils of Young Living, not just oils but other products, I suggest or I really recommend to make an order via ER because there are a lot of benefits and incentives na makukuha mo. So first, yung gustong-gusto ko is yung rebates. In simple terms, kapag may binili ka, may percent na babalik sa'yo. So for Young Living, for the first 3 months ng ER mo, consecutive siya guys ha. So the first 3 months, you get 10% rebates, and then for the 4th up to 24th, you get 20% na, and then the rest, you get 25%. So that's the first benefit, which is I really like, and right now, nasa 20% rebates na ako. And other than that, every month, mayroong pa-promo sa Young Living. Depende kung nasa ang location ka. But for the Philippines, every time may ma-reach kang certain points, is magkakaroon ka ng additional ER points or mga free oils. Third one is, you have loyalty oils. Pag meron kang consecutive orders, no, which is 100 PV, for the first 3 months, you get free orange oil. Pag 6 consecutive months naman, may another oil ulit. Every 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th month na sunod-sunod is that you get additional free oils. And lastly is mas mababa yung shipping fee. But hindi ko talaga maramdaman kasi ano lang parang 30 to 50 pesos lang. But still counted pa din siya. A lot of freebies, a lot of incentives and benefits kapag bibili ka via ER compared sa quick order. Ayan, so that's it. Wag na natin patagalin pa. Chumichika na naman ako. Let's open the first box. Hindi ko alam kung kita yung pag-unbox. What yeah? Ganyan na lang. Bubbles. Ang onti lang pala ng order ko. So, for my November order, I only purchased yung minimum na need for the ER, which is 50 PV. PV, it means personal volume. Ito yung parang corresponding points doon sa oil na binili mo. So, kung i-check mo yung website ni Young Living, may pressure doon, tapos katabi niya, may PV points. So, yun yung equivalent points. Based from my experience, nag-range siya between 2,800 to 3,000 plus per month. At first, namamahalan ako. Akala ko hindi ko siya masusustain. But when you check the rebates, the benefits of ER, mas makakatipid ka dito. Mas makakamura ka compared sa quick order. Dalawa lang yung binili ko, guys. I paid for around 3,300 pesos. I did not go for 100 PV. Kasi, ang dami ko pang oils, ayan. Kasi yung first 3 months, as in, lagpas-lagpas ako ng 100 PV. Na-excite ako sa pag-order. And then, that time, nung chinek out ko siya, wala akong maisip. Kaya sabi ko, okay, ano na lang muna, 50 PV. Kasi, yun lang naman yung minimum. So, it's fine. So, bubuksan ko na. First is the oil muna. So, feeling ko alam nyo na to. Wala, hindi siya lumalabas. Hoy! Ayaw niyang lumabas, guys. Uy, lumabas ka! Ayaw niya magpakita. Ayan, ayan. So, the only oil that I bought for my November order is Sarang Lavender! Ayan. This is the Swiss Army Knife of Essential Oils. Ang dami niyang gamit, guys. For sleep, for skincare. Kapag wala kang maisip na i-diffuse, choose lavender. This is really a must-have oil at dapat hindi ka maubusan. Kaya, yun, bumili ako ulit na isa. Second is this one. Hindi siya oil. Medyo mabigat siya. So, this one is from the Thieves line. The Thieves Laundry Soap. So, bakit ko siya binili? Because I've already tried other products no from the Thieves line. Na-try ko na yung mouthwash, toothpaste, at saka yung all-purpose cleaner. And then, so far, nagustuhan ko siya. Among those three, yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko talaga is yung all-purpose cleaner. Wait, kukunin ko. Ito siya, guys. So, this is the household cleaner pala, hindi all-purpose. Nagustuhan ko kasi talaga to. That's why I decided to try other products. Just like to share, no, ito si household cleaner. I bought this one 5 months ago. And guys, right now, andito pa siya, oh. Binili ko siya nasa 1,600 ata. Not sure, ilalagay ko na lang dyan yung presyo, no. And I thought mahal siya for a cleaner kasi above 1,000. But kung check nyo siya, hindi ko para siya nakalahati. So, it's really tipid. For me, it's really tipid. All I need is this 1 cup full. 1 cup full lang para dito. And then, I also add 2 drops of lemon essential oils. And guys, ito na yung ginagamit ko to clean the tiles, to clean my workstation, yung kitchen, yung toilet, even for the plants. I really recommend this one, guys. You need to try this one. At first, mahal siya, guys, pero for in the long run, you can really save. This is made of essential oil infused something, and it's really concentrated, kaya tipid talaga kasi ito lang yung need mo, konting-konti lang talaga, and then yeah, magkakaroon ka na ng ganito kadami na cleaner. So that's why I also want to try this laundry soap. So si laundry soap, nabasa ko din dito na this is super concentrated, and for this one, no, kaya siya ng 64 loads. So, ilang months na ba yun yung 60? Hindi ko alam. Pero, madami akong nababasa na this one, just like this household cleaner, this is also tipid. Meron siyang citrus scent. Feeling ko, no need for me to buy the Downy na. And, ang aking pinakahihintay, ang aking December Essential Rewards. So, I'm gonna open na. So, if you guys know, want me to film the oils no, nasa aking likod, ano yan sila, you can just write the comment section below. Ay ko! Yeah! Ang daming ang daming plastic. Trivanes. Okay, so for this box pala, no, this is not all mine. You are a member of Young Living, no, tsaka yung friends mo is member din, and you guys, konti lang yung need mo for the month, you can actually pasabay, no, with their account. Pwede yun. So, ano kasi, yung nagpasabay sa akin is kapitbahay ko lang. Shout out my Ru. Ayan. So, for the month of December, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And yung nabayaran ko is 6,392.28. Nabayaran namin ni Mayro pala. Ayan. Ang daming oils. Ang daming oils. This one is peppermint. Okay. We have here peppermint and lavender. So, this one, ito yung kay Mayro. Kasi I think naubusan siya or ibibigay niya to someone. I'm not sure. But, yeah, bumili din siya ng lavender and peppermint. So, si lavender, diba, as mentioned kanina, a must-have oil at saka hindi pwedeng maubusan ni si lavender. Kaya, feeling ko, most of the people, no, nag-re-order talaga ng lavender. And we have here another lavender. Okay, for this video, meron tayong tatlong lavender. Sana all. Yan, this one's mine. This one's kay Mayro. And then, guys, we have Christmas Spirit. So, yeah. So, si Christmas Spirit, this is a free oil. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina that when you reach up to a certain level of PV. So, for my order kasi, it's 100 PV. At saka yung promo this December, you get a free oil, which is the Christmas Spirit. Kasi Pasko. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Christmas Spirit, it's 0. So, napag-usapan din namin, since meron akong Christmas Spirit, I'm gonna give this one to Mayro na. Kasi, it's Christmas. It's Christmas. Give love on Christmas Day. Okay, so the next oil is my loyalty oil. Pag malaki talaga, ang hirap. Uy. Ito talaga yung problema kapag 15 ml. Masyadong masikip. Namumula na ako, guys. Hindi kasi ako nag-on ng aircon. Ngayon, ang init. Kasi napapansin ko pala kapag nag-i-aircon ako tapos nag-feel, may background music siya. Hindi ko siya matanggal kapag nag-i-edit ako. Kaya, right now, naka-off yung aircon. Ala! Yes! Meron na akong orange oil. Ayan. So, this one is also free. Pakita ko ulit sa inyo yung itong last part. Ayan. Orange oil, it's 0. Wala ulit akong binayaran. Ang saya! So, this is my first loyalty oil. Every 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th month, meron kang ma-receive na loyalty oil. Ang bango niya, guys. Buksan ko na kaya? Wag muna. Ito yung 5 oils. And last item, which is, I am really, really excited. Matagal ko na talagang gustong bilhin at i-try to na product kay Young Living. Pero, nagdadalawang isip ako kasi medyo pricey siya talaga. Pero nababasa ko kasi na ang dami niyang benefits. I ordered Menchie Red! Yes! Wait lang, buksan muna natin. So, ito, din to, hati din kami ni Mayro dito kasi nabudol ko siya. No? Sabi ko, Mayro, pili tayo nito kasi nakakaganto, ganyan. Tapos, parang feeling ko, nila siya nabudol ko siya sa aking excitement na pag-share dun sa benefits nito ni Sharon. Pero feeling ko, hindi niya talaga bet. Sorry, Mayro. I'm the Budolera of the year. Okay. Oh my God. Wait lang. Kailangan kong tumayo. Bigat. May kulay. Ang hirap pag-unbox pag sobrang bigat. Pagod ako dun ah. Okay. Tadang! This is Menchie Red Mixed Fruit Cream. So, ano siya guys? 750 ml. So, I have 2. Ayan siya. Medyo pricey siya, no? Ilalagay ko yung price dyan. So, meron kasi akong nabasa dito ng mga benefits, no? So, this one, this is made of wolfberry or goji berry. Tinawag siyang ninja red. Yung ninja is place siya sa China, no? Wherein, dun tumutubo yung wolfberry or yung goji berry. So, yun. Ito talaga, ang dami niyang health benefits. But, one thing or one benefit na nabasa ko that really caught my attention is yung nakakalinaw daw siya ng mata. So, babasahin ko lang ha. This one has... Wait, asan na ba yun? Ayun. It helps the eyes, cataracts, glaucoma, and visual acuity. So, this berry contains a complete array of antioxidant carotenoids, including beta-carotene. And in fact, yung Ninja Wolfberry has the highest source of carotenoids in all foods. So, ito daw is beta-carotene is best known as a nutrient for the retina, for the eyes. So, ako kasi right now, yung mata ko is pagod siya sa work, pagod siya kaka-edit sa vlog, pagod siya kakapanood ng Netflix, puro screen, monitor, halos whole day yun ang ginagawa because nasa bahay lang, no? So, I wanna try this one if makaka-help ba siya sa eyes ko. But apart from that, based dun sa samples na na-try ko, so far, first impression ko sa kanya, yung ininom ko siya, is that nakaka-energize siya. As in, naaano yung body mo. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba sa mindset kasi uminom ako ng parang energy drinks. I super love the taste. Aside from that, yun nga, merong health benefits. Sining siya red. That's why I'm going to try this one. And yun, for the other bottle, kay Myro, and this one is for me. And if ever magustuhan ko siya, then I think I'm gonna order it again. And yun lang guys. I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito, especially the essential rewards. And if you guys are already member and you want to know more about essential rewards, just reach out to your enroller, or you can also chat me in my social media accounts. I can definitely help you with that one. And if you want to have tips and tricks, ano ba yung mga magandang i-order sa ER, then you can reach out to me. You can comment below. If you guys would love to see more of my oil bularia journey, not just oil bularia kasi I've tried other products of Young Living, not just oils. If you guys are interested in this kind of videos, just let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, so that I could also see if gagawa pa ba ako ng mga ganitong klaseng videos about essential oils and about Young Living. So yeah, I think that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and magkita-kita tayo sa aking next video. Kita kits! Bye!